past. You are heading towards success or past failures in the treatments, and healthy and intellectual baby is the completion. It's going to happen in the future. Hello. Many times couples, when they approach me, they ask me this question, and I'm very surprised. What triggered them to ask me this question is something very surprising for me. It's a very unusual question, but I expect this from the couple. You all must be thinking, definitely Dr. Saravanan or Dr. Mahalakshmi would have heard of this question from the couples as a common expectation. You all must be thinking, doctor, will I be getting 100% success? That is the question what I am trying to tell. If you ask me, the answer is no. Okay, this has been already addressed in one of my speech, but now after giving that speech and of recently, this is the question coming from the couples very frequently. Give me some tip that is going to give me definite pregnancy. Can you understand? Give me some tip that is going to give me a definite pregnancy. Okay, I will give you this answer, but before giving this answer, it really initiated a thought in my mind. When the couples are asking me, this is a modification of the question. They don't want to use that word 100%, but out of frustration or humiliation or past failures in the treatments, which has compelled them to ask me this question. Give me a tip that is going to give me a definite pregnancy. Maybe I want to add one more point. Not only a definite pregnancy, and healthy and intellectual baby is the completion. Okay, I'm going to give the solution. Okay, this has really deeply involved my thoughts, invoked my thoughts, and it really made me to think for a while. What is that answer that I can give it to the couple, which is going to really be a fruitful answer, and it is going to be an effective answer and a real solution for this? Yes, the solution is very clear. We need to understand there are 3 steps. If you follow these 3 steps, you are heading towards success, pregnancy, healthy, intellectual baby. Okay, so please keep it in your mind, but you need to understand one thing. Nothing comes easy in our life, whether your wealth, your education, your status, your profile, your retainership of your position, nothing is easy. The same way, even we need to understand this is also maybe a definite tip, but you need to really work for it. It's all understand how much you are determined to follow these tips, but you will definitely get the success. So the tips are 3. Keep a note of it, these 3. The first is very clear, a healthy living. What is that healthy living? Lifestyle changes. So this is, I'm going to tell you, the first thing is lifestyle changes. So in lifestyle changes, I will be highlighting around 4 to 5 points. If you index this 4 to 5 points in your lifestyle, definitely this brings you 60 to 70% of the heading towards success. Even in basic treatments, you can even conceive naturally, but if you are in the middle age or in the elderly age group, you are heading towards success in IUI or IVF or ICSI or laparoscopy for that reason. So understand what is that lifestyle changes I am supposed to follow. Many occasions I will tell, you need to take some measures to overcome the stress. Sir, how to overcome the stress? It is something very difficult. Maybe I can quit my profession, or I can change my profession, or I can take a break. Can any of these 3 things make you free from stress? And for that reason, I want to make you very clearly understand, if you don't earn, how you are going to spend for the treatments. Okay, so, and most importantly, many occasions you feel stress is because of only financial reasons. Just think it and see, is only financial stress or one we are facing, all of us are facing on a day to day? No, the stress is related to family. See, as a family, you are having your parents, your relatives, your neighbors, your wife and your spouse, everybody is there. So when your family members, everybody will not be in the same alignment. Their expectation will not be the same. Their alignment will not be the same. So you need to get along with them. So that is also a type of stress. Family stress is there, financial stress is there, work stress is there. See, your work environment will not be a smooth sailing boat always. Most of the time you will be getting a committed job, you will be getting a targeted work, you will be making to do a long travel, you maybe need to work an extended hours. So it is not only the financial stress. Stress can come in multiple ways. It can be a financial stress, work stress, family stress and health stress. All sorts of stress will happen. So the stress is something inevitable in life. So how I am going to alleviate the stress or reduce the stress or overcome the stress? The easiest and simplest and single word of means to overcome stress is nothing but relaxation. So if you find the ways for relaxation, that is more than sufficient. You undergo all the stress. You don't change your profession. There is no single profession which is going to be perfect in this world. Every profession has pros and cons. Every profession has its own challenges. So you don't change your profession, rather you get accustomed to your profession. You grow in your profession. You do well in your profession. Accept the stress, but learn the means to alleviate the stress by relaxation. So, in what all the ways I can do the relaxation? What is the simplest way to do relaxation? The simplest way to do relaxation is nothing but, in my ways, I will always say meditation. If you just sit silent in one place, in a calm place, close your eyes for at least 15 to 20 minutes, shut down all your thoughts and just focus on one thought, which may be a thought of a God or thought of a good action or thought of a single object. You are focusing that thought and you are curtailing all your thoughts, all your diversions, all your distractions. Your mind is getting rest. Even in the sleep, your mind is in subconscious action. Unconscious thoughts will come. Even after wake up from your sleep, many times many patients complain they don't get a proper sleep, they don't feel that freshness. So unconsciously, when you do that meditation with the eyes closed and curtail all your thoughts and focus on one good thought or one good object or a thought of a God or a thought of a good deed, and keep on maintaining that thought at one particular thing, and just shut down keep your body still, your mind is going for a very good rest. So that is very important. So lot of hormonal changes will take place. You become more fresh. Then the decision what you are going to take will be more fruitful, will be more protective, and will be more positive. So that is very, very important. So in my way, I will tell the best way for relaxation is meditation. If you want some other means, you take any other activity from your routine, it's called relaxation. See, my work is for 8 hours to 10 hours I work a day. I do a field work, I do an administrative work, I work as a technical assistant, or I work in a factory, or I work in any other field. Whatever you do, take off yourself from the routine. You can even do the gardening activity. even you can do some sort of reading books, spiritual books, some good messages. You can listen to music, some olden music which triggers your nostalgia and a thought provoking olden days, recalling your memories. So they all will make your mind feel soothing. So then your mind will become so cool and calm. If you see, apart from the mind becomes cool and calm, it also makes lot of changes in your health also, because of stress the body secretes more adrenaline, your heart rate goes up, your blood pressure goes up. It can lead to diabetes, hypertension, stress induced overweight, obesity. So many problems are happening. So when you are trying to alleviate the stress or reduce the stress, that is important. So don't run away from the stress, rather try to do something to overcome the stress. So this is number one. So in the lifestyle, first you try to overcome the stress. So I am very clear, I am very practical. I am telling the tip which can be adapted, but you need that willingness and determination to practice it consistently and find some time to do it. It's only 20 minutes or hardly 30 minutes a day. Dedicate to do something out of your routine. That is called relaxation. That is to reduce the stress, number one. Number two is peaceful and restful sleep. So many occasions I see nowadays sleeplessness has become a very big disease. Many people are not able to sleep properly, they don't get a restful sleep, they don't get a peaceful sleep, they get a lot of dreams, and even after waking up from the sleep, they don't feel that comfort, freshness, they feel very dull, tired, they feel they would require some more hours of sleep, and they go for a very late night sleep. Sometimes they are addicted to medications to go for sleep. Some people take alcohol to go to sleep. So sleep is something becoming very, very troublesome. So sleep is by nature a gift to all the human beings. So when we sleep, our entire body is going for a perfect rest. The body goes for a self-healing. Many occasions when we get some injury to the body, or when there is some problem in your health, some sort of fever or a cough or a sore throat or whatever it is, when you rest, that is the first advice given by all the medical practitioners. When there is a problem to your body, they say first rest, then only they go for the medications. So rest itself is a self-healing. So when you are going for a proper sleep, it should be anywhere between 7 to 8 hours. So if you sleep for 7 to 8 hours, it is not sufficient. You should have a peaceful and restful sleep. So that is definitely mandatory. So once you start doing this relaxation, automatically your sleep will be very healthy. You get a very fruitful sleep and you go for a real pleasant sleep. So that is more important, number two. This is going to be a very interesting topic and going to be very thought provoking and a mind sensitive topic. So this is something elaborate. I have taken efforts to make you understand. So this is going to be in 3 volumes. So in 3 parts. So you are now at the completion of the first part and the second part and the third part. So please tune to the subsequent videos and see the second and the third part, and you will be getting benefit. At the end of this video, you will get the thumbnail to click the volume 2 and volume 3 part 2 or part 3. Please click it and watch it till the end and get the benefit. Thank you.